SkyALERT First Weather with Chief Meteorologist Gary Frank.
Right now our current temperatures ranging in the 60s and right at 70 in El Centro. A very comfortable night to go outside, and of course it's a good time to go outside. Our dew points are going up a little bit, so not quite as dry, but still dry enough to where we'll cool off fairly nicely. In fact, look, 20 to 25 degrees change in our dew points from yesterday. Was actually a little bit muggy outside at this time. 11%, 12% humidity, and really throughout the area it's going to be just about nice and light throughout the comfortable viewing area. Windcast showing those light conditions will persist throughout the next several days. As we get towards Thursday, that's when our winds pick up right along the Colorado River Valley as we move on to the afternoon hours. But looking at SkyALERT satellite, I mentioned you can see it, the moon. It's big and bright just about right above you, and there's actually a star right above that. That's also Mars. So if you're going to check out the eclipse, here's what's going on. There's 4 eclipses this year, and as we rule at 10:30, it's already starting to work its way into the penumbra, which is the outer shadow of the Earth. The umbra is the inner shadow, and as we put the moon into motion to give you another time frame when we can expect it to start to see the change in more of a blood red fashion. In fact, this is called the blood moon. 10:58, so just before 11 o'clock, we'll start to see the moon tinge a little bit into the orangish red phase before by 11, 12, 1 o'clock. That's when we start to see more of it before it's all said and done by 2:30. So the peak of it will be about 12:30. So between 12 and 1 will be the best time to view the eclipse. So try to set your alarms or try to stay awake, because this is going to be something we don't see too often. One of 4 this year, still pretty cool. And if you're going to go outside and take a look, well, 49 to 59, drier equals cooler. And of course that moon will be big and bright in our skies, and of course Mars right above it. So nice red through both stars. Well, one of them's both a planet and of course our moon. 93 at 4 p.m. Light and variable winds in Yuma. Comfortable but warmer tomorrow. We'll start off cooler, as I mentioned. 5 to 10 mile an hour breeze, finishing at 93 for your Tuesday. Just a little bit warmer than we typically see this time of the year. Here are some high clouds drifting in off the west, affecting some viewers in the northern and central portions of California. But for us, we're all high and dry, part of this dry air mass and higher pressure. Here's a cold front up to the north, though, and it looks like it's staying to the north, but it'll bring in a few clouds by Wednesday, part of this more large system. Here it is. You see the defining line of that cold front, assisted with a low pressure system, and it will not really give us a knockdown of our temperatures. We will see a little change, but it really doesn't even skirt us that much. Our average high is 86, and we cling to that, if not just a little bit above it over the next several days. 92 Thursday, a few clouds. Weekend, 92 as well. 94 on Monday, and clear in Imperial Valley. We'll see cool mornings, warmer afternoons, and just about a 40-degree jump every single day. Back to you, Manoa.